أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ya Ahlul Quran. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn Surah At-Tabbat, yani Surah Lahab, okay, which has 5 ayahs inshallah. Okay, so first I'm gonna recite the surah and then let's look into Tajweed rulings.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد.
Alhamdulillah. So the surah just has 5 ayahs. Let's inshallah learn its Tajweed ruling now. Ayah number 1. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. تبت يدا. Okay, tabbat ba has tajdeed, emphasize it, and this ta which has sakinan should be pronounced with the hums. If you just recite tabbat yada, see the ta here isn't clear, right? To make it more clear and sound better, you should just pronounce it with the hums, inshallah. Tabbat yada abi yada. Mad al jaiz munfasil, where huruf al mad is followed by hamza in a separate word, stretch it for 4 haraka. As it is jaiz, you can keep it 2 as well, but it is the mad due to hamza which has to be stretched for 4 haraka. Yada abi. Abi, hamza should be clear. Don't merge that with this mad and say yada abi. Okay, it should be tabbat yada abi lahabin wa tab. Lahabin, tanween followed by waw. Do idgham here with 2 haraka gunna. Lahabin wa. Lahabin wa. Okay, bin wa. That gunna should be there. Lahabin wa tab. Okay, this is a ba which has tashdeed and fatha, right? While doing waqf, that is while stopping, this fatha will convert into sakina, and ba is a letter of qalqala. With sakin, we should do qalqala there. But here, due to this tashdeed, the qalqala will sound little stronger, okay? If it was just sakin, no tajdeed, then it will be watab, tab. But now, due to this tajdeed, there are 2 bas here. That is why first you have to pronounce that tajdeed letter. For example, with fatha, we pronounce it like watab. So, watab. Watab. Give that complete time of tajdeed and then do qalqala. Automatically that qalqala will sound stronger. Okay, not watab, watab, watab. That is compulsory because removing tajdeed or adding it, if there is no tajdeed, then it will be lehn al jali, that can change the meaning of the word or it can make this word meaningless. This word has these 3 letters in it, the, ba and another ba. So make sure while reciting this to me in class tomorrow, you will say watab, watab, not watab. Fine, that will be lehn al jali, inshallah. Tabbat yada abi lahabin wa tab. Ma aghna anhu maluhu wa ma kasab. Ma aghna. 4 haraka madar, jaiz munfasil. Aghna. See, the ghain is a letter of rikhava, that is a special quality, which means the sound should flow, or else it will become qalqala letter like aghna. That is wrong. Aghna, it is also heavy, make it little heavier with sakina, but don't make hamza heavy like aghna. Ma aghna. Aghna. If you don't flow its sound, then you will end up doing qalqala like aghna. Okay, it should be with the flow of sound. أغنى na to حركة ألف مقصورة, there is standing fatha here, stretch it. أغنى عنه, not anhu, anhu is wrong, it is عين. عنه, no extra غنى, إظهار. عنه ماله, ماله, stretch this ha here, مد الصلة صغرى. ماله وما كسب, وما to count, كسب, while stopping ba will acquire temporary sukoon and we will pronounce that with the qalqala. Here that qalqala will be normal, okay, not so strong like here. Here there is tashdeed, so it sounded stronger, but here it should be kasab, and here watab, watab, okay, kasab, that's it. ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب. سيصلى, يص, can you see that? Yes, not yo, yos is wrong. It should be ya, light, and the sword heavy. If you make sword heavy, it will sound like yasla. The meaning will be meaningless. It is not sayasla, sayasla. Okay, lam for two haraka alif maksura. Sayasla naran ذات, na to haraka. Run, ra should be heavy with fathatan, not run, it is ra. And ikhfa is done with two haraka gunna, nasalization, which should be hidden. Hidden means tip of the tongue should not touch the upper gums. If it touches, it will sound like naran dhata. It is izhar with gunna. It should be ikhfa. Naran dhata, naran, naran. There is a difference there, right? You have to keep it. Naran zata, not zata. Za, no buzzing sound. Zata lahab. Ha, blunt sound from the last part of the throat. And while stopping again, ba, which has kasratan, will acquire temporary sukoon, and we will pronounce that with the qalqala. سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب. وامرأته, you can say the waw with tajdeed, it is due to the previous word. Tanween is followed by waw. If you want to connect these two ayahs, then it will be نارا ذات لهب. Okay, but we are not connecting, so don't read that tashdeed, just read wamra'atuhu. Waw is connected to this meme of word imra'atuhu. We are not reading this hamzatul wasl. Wamra'a, here many students do mistake like merging hamza with ra. Wamra'atuhu, this is wrong. You have to pronounce hamza and ra clearly, separately. Ra'atuhu, don't stretch any of it here, especially the letter ra, hamza and the ta should be for one haraka only. Ha for two haraka. Wamra'atuhu, hu madal sila sughra. You can see waqf al-mutlaq here, absolute stopping. The word is very small. If you still want to stop, it is better. Then it will be wamra'atuh حمالة الحطب. But if you want to continue, وامرأته حمالة الحطب. Okay, continuation to haraka, but while stopping, وامرأته. There is a waqf mark here, that is why I'm telling you both the rulings here. حمالة الحطب. Hamma, ha, very sharp. If you just say hamma, the meaning is completely changed. It is ha, very sharp. Mim mushaddad, two haraka gunna, and also alif maddiya, two haraka stretching. Not just hammalatal. Hammalatal. Ma, two haraka. Hammalatal. Hatab. Ha, very sharp. Ta, not hatab. It should be hatab. But if you decide ha like the another ha which is from the last part of the throat and ta like the, then the word will completely change, meaningless. Hatab. This is wrong, okay? Hatab. Hammalatal hatab. Ba with the qalqala while stopping. وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد. في جيدها, في تو حركة, جي تو حركة, diha. Dal 1 count, ha for 2 counts. See how it is? Fi diha. Fi diha hablun. Ha ha. Hab, not hablun. Hablun meaning will be changed. It is a ha. Hablum. Tanween followed by meme. You will do idgham with 2 haraka gunna. Ha is sharp. Ba with the qalqala. Idgham with 2 count gunna here. Noon sakin followed by meme. Same gunna for 2 haraka. Okay. Hablum mim masad. Hablum 2 count gunna. Mim 2 count gunna. Masad. Dal with the qalqala. Okay. في جيدها حبل من مسد. Alhamdulillah. So the short surah, we have completed learning this. Alhamdulillah. There are many tajweed rulings in this surah, especially the qalqala rulings, which you have to pronounce correctly in all the ayahs. See, each ayah is ending here with the qalqala, and the first is with the qalqala, which you can practice well in this place, because in Quran, in many ayahs at the end or in the middle, sometimes when you want to stop, there comes tashdeed with the qalqala letters, where you will have to add sakin while stopping, and you should do this strong qalqala. And if you don't do that, if you just pronounce it with a single letter, removing tashdeed, then that will be lehn al jali. Okay, because removing tashdeed is not a good thing. It will change the meaning of the word. So it will not be watab, it should be watab. Watab, because you have to read the 2 letters there, not watab, watab. Okay, so make sure inshallah to practice this surah well and recite it. Okay, alhamdulillah. So if you have any doubts with the tajweed rulings, you can ask me. I'm gonna turn your mics on inshallah. If not, let's recite this for many times. Any doubts with the tajweed rulings here? Unmute your mics. No, sister. Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. Okay, so practice well, inshallah. You will recite this in the next classes. Alhamdulillah, let's end the meeting now, inshallah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah.